Welcome back to our Summit Series installation guide. In this video, we'll be covering post layout. If you aren't already, be sure to follow along with our Summit Series installation playlist through the link in the corner of this video or in the description below. Your post layout will depend on two factors: the layout of your project, including any turns or stairs, and our post guidelines. Our customer support team can actually help build a project layout for you if you haven't already. You can start that through the link in the description as well. Here are the general post guidelines you'll want to observe as you lay out your posts. You can span up to 8 feet on center between posts. If you have any runs longer than that, you'll need to utilize two-way posts. For every span of handrail that is longer than 4 feet, you'll need to use a support bar. This support bar gives rigidity to the handrail on longer spans so that your railing stays within code requirements. Lastly, you need to make sure that your posts will have proper blocking. Our posts need to be anchored to a structural frame and need at least 3.5 inches of blocking if you're on a wood deck. If you worked with our support team, they'll have already built this project layout for you. You can use this to get your posts into the right position, which is what we're going to start right now. With our posts in their general spots, we're ready to start mounting our posts and running our handrail. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one, and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. In our next video, we'll show you how to install your handrail on horizontal runs, so keep watching.